Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show how to find the value of square root of 3, square root of 3, square root of 3 up to infinity. Let's consider this x as this square root of 3 under of this square root of 3 and this square root of 3 up to this infinity, or taking square to both side, we can write x square is equal to this square root of 3 square root of 3 square root of 3 up to infinity and this whole square, or this x square is equal to this square root and this square will cancel out, so it will remain this 3 square root of this 3 square root of 3 and up to infinity, or this x square is equal to 3 and this square root of 3 square root of 3 and this is x, so we can replace this term as x, or taking this 3x to left side, we can write x square minus 3x is equal to 0, or taking common x from left side, we can write x times x minus, here it will be 3 is equal to 0. So x is equal to 0 or x minus 3 is equal to 0. So when x is equal to 0, that means square root of 3 square root of 3 square root of 3 up to infinity, but this is always greater than 0, so x is cannot be 0. So for the another case, x minus 3 is equal to 0, or taking this 3 to right side, we will have x is equal to 3. So square root of 3 square root of 3 square root of 3 up to infinity, it will be this 3. So this is the solution of this problem. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.